Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bait for mouse traps that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Decon No View, No Touch Covered Mouse Trap. If you're someone who doesn't want to deal with the messiness and sight of traditional traps, this product might be a good fit. Its standout feature is the No Touch, No View design, which allows you to dispose of the entire trap without ever interacting with the rodent. This makes it a safer and more hygienic option, especially for those squeamish about traditional mouse traps. The trap is easy to use. Simply insert the bait, twist to set it, and place it where you've noticed rodent activity. Its black, modern design makes it unobtrusive in your home, and it's safe to use around children and pets. However, at 2.29 pounds, and fairly large dimensions, it's bulkier than other traps, which could make placement a bit challenging in tight spaces. The major downside is the customer rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. While some users praise its ease of use, others note that it's not always effective at catching mice. Additionally, its disposable nature means you'll need to replenish your supply over time, which may not be cost-effective. Overall, this trap is ideal for users who prioritize hygiene and hands-off disposal, but might not be the best for those seeking consistent, long-term results. Coming in at number 4 is the swissinno replacement bait syringe for mouse and rat traps, Supercat. This product is specifically designed to enhance the effectiveness of your existing traps. It's a scientifically formulated peanut butter scent that's highly attractive to rodents, ensuring that your traps work harder and smarter. Plus, one syringe provides up to 20 applications, making it a long-lasting option. The design is clean and practical, featuring a precise syringe tip that allows you to apply bait without any mess. This makes it an excellent choice for those who dislike handling traditional bait like peanut butter or cheese. The product is compatible with all Supercat traps, so if you're already using their system, this is a seamless addition. The compact size and lightweight build of the syringe mean it's easy to store and handle. However, it's worth noting that this bait is not a complete trap system, so it requires you to already own compatible traps. While its 3.8-star rating suggests it's well-received, some users have mentioned that rodents sometimes avoid the bait. This product is ideal for those who want an easy-to-use, mess-free baiting solution, but may not be the best choice for users new to rodent control without existing traps. At number 3, we have the Tomcat Mouse Killer Disposable Station, which is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on functionality. At just $6.54, it's one of the most affordable options on this list. Yet it comes with 2 bait stations, each equipped with a bait block capable of killing up to 12 mice. The child and dog-resistant design ensures that this product is safe for homes with pets and kids, and the weather-resistant build makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The clear lid is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to monitor the bait levels without opening the station. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to place in tight spaces where rodents are likely to pass. Users appreciate the simplicity of setup and the peace of mind provided by the tamper-resistant design. With a customer rating of 4.2 stars, it's clear that many find this product effective. On the downside, the disposable nature of this station means it's not reusable, which might not appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Additionally, while it's effective for smaller infestations, it might not be sufficient for larger rodent problems. Overall, this is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking an affordable, easy-to-use solution for occasional rodent issues. Our runner-up at number 2 is the anblak mouse station with keys. This 6-pack of reusable stations is perfect for those who want a more permanent solution to rodent control. Each station includes a tamper-proof locking mechanism requiring a key, making it an excellent choice for households with children and pets. The sturdy ABS plastic construction ensures durability, while the triangular shape allows the stations to fit snugly into corners and tight spaces. What sets this product apart is its reusability and weatherproof design. You can use it both indoors and outdoors without worrying about wear and tear. The stations are easy to clean and refill, making them a cost-effective choice for long-term rodent management. With a customer rating of 4.4 stars, it's clear that users appreciate the robustness and effectiveness of this product. The only significant downside is that bait isn't included, so you'll need to purchase that separately. Additionally, the stations may be overkill for those who only have a minor rodent issue. This product is best suited for users looking for a durable, reusable solution to manage ongoing infestations in a safe and secure manner. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Tomcat Bait Station set of 6 outpost rat bait stations. This product is the ultimate rodent control solution, designed to tackle everything from small mice to larger rats. Each station is tamper-resistant, lockable, and compact, with an 8.5 by 7-inch footprint, making it perfect for use in tight spaces. These stations can be used both vertically and horizontally, allowing for versatile placement. One of the standout features here is their ability to hold either bait blocks or traps, giving you the flexibility to choose your preferred rodent control method. While bait is not included, the stations are compatible with Tomcat's Chunks bait, which is highly effective. Made in the USA, these stations are built to last and are weather-resistant, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that users love the quality and performance of this product. The only potential drawback is the cost of adding bait separately, which might increase the overall expense. However, the durability and flexibility of these stations make them a worthwhile investment for those with persistent rodent problems. If you're looking for a comprehensive, high-quality rodent control solution, the Tomcat Bait Station is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.